Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your pages in Canva. Yes, you can lock all the pages or all the elements you have designed in your Canva project. This video will be helpful for anyone who wants to lock their pages. And sometimes when you are designing or customizing anything, your pages might get messed up or shifted out of position. Yes, you can prevent that as well. So, for example, this is the design that I have created, and now I want to lock it. To do that, if you want to lock each element or any specific text or element individually, you just need to select that text or element. Then you'll see the lock option. If you just lock it, you can move other elements, but you can't move this one. To unlock it, just click on that lock option again, and it will unlock. Now you're ready to move it wherever you want. And it's the same with images as well. Go select the image and just lock it. In this way, when you are creating something like this, your pages won't move or get out of alignment. This will help prevent any misalignment. And if you want to unlock it, just unlock it. And if you want to lock or unlock the whole page, then you just need to select all the elements with Ctrl-A. Or you can drag your cursor down to select everything. Make sure you've included all elements, text, or images. Then there's the option to right-click. And you'll see the lock option. Or from here, you can click it here as well. So if you just click on it, it's locked. But now you see it's moving, right? So just press Ctrl-Undo and make sure they are in the right position. And if you just lock it, then now you can't move it. You need to double press to fully lock and secure all the designs. In the same way, if you want to unlock everything, then just unlock it. Now just select all. If you click on it and Lock Page, you can do the same process. If you just unlock pages, then all the elements are now ready to be modified again. So this way, you can easily lock and unlock. It's a really simple process. And yes, if you want to just lock all the pages, just lock. And if you want to unlock, just unlock. So that's a simple video about how you can lock and unlock individual elements or an entire page in Canva. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.